Okay, so this first video is about the debtors figure for the current assets. And even though in the solution to this they have an other debtors, you can include all this with the debtors. So I'll actually do the calculation they do for other debtors, but you can just add it on to the debtors figure. So the other debtors in this case is going to be those other amounts that are owed to you by somebody else, and the usual one that's in most questions is investment income due. So in this case there's 3% of 1 million euros is what you should be getting for your investments. So let's just do that over here. 1 million by 3% is 30,000. And then you have investment income that you received. It's a gain, so it's on the credit side, 9,000. So if we subtract the 9 that you already got, it means that you are owed 21,000. So owed by your debtors, not your trade debtors, but your other debtors if you like, even though I would just include it all in the debtors. The second thing then is just your VAT. So VAT is usually over here on the credit side because it's normally a liability. It's something that you normally collect and then you owe it to the government. You collect it yourself, you put it into your bank account, but you must pay it then to the government. So it's something normally that you owe, so it's usually a liability. Occasionally, for a number of different reasons, one of them might be if you paid too much VAT to the government, then you might be owed some money back, and so it becomes an asset instead of a liability. And that's the case here, where you have the VAT entry on the debit side. It means it's an asset and it's owed to you by the government, even though the government will never actually pay you that money, but you can claim it back against your future VAT bills. But technically it's owed to you. So it's just this 23,000 for the VAT, 21,000 for the investment income, altogether 44,000, and I believe that's the figure that they will include in this question solution as other debtors. But really you can just, if you like, in a normal question exam, you can add that onto the debtors figure.